I recently got Snowball Slushy Prime, and I don't know why. I just wondered what it would taste like mixed with other drinks. So I have four other drinks to try it with, and basically what I'm going to do is take some of this, pour it into here, and then pour one of those drinks in there every time and see what it eventually tastes like. So I'm going to start off going left to right. So I have a giant bottle of ginger ale. So the prime's already in there. And I am going to pour the ginger ale in. So this is kind of going to be like sparkling prime, but it's not going to just taste like sparkling prime because ginger ale has its own flavor. So it kind of kept its color. It's just like a lighter ginger ale color, I think. I tried it and it's actually really good. It doesn't really have a mixed flavor. It's just like a combination of the two. It tastes a lot like this and a lot like the ginger ale. And it's basically sparkling prime, but it has its own flavor. And I actually really like it. Like, it's super good. And I definitely would recommend this. The next one is Gatorade, and I'm actually kind of excited to see how this turns out because Gatorade, in my opinion, tastes nothing like Prime, and I want to see what it tastes like. So this is the orange flavor of Gatorade, and I'm opening it right now. Whoa. Alright, so it kind of has like a mango juice flavor, and not flavor, color. So it looks pretty cool, kind of like the orange mango prime. So this one's actually surprising because it kind of tastes a lot like orange mango prime. I feel like the flavor is just a little toned down more. But it tastes a lot like orange mango prime, and you could just do this if you want to try it because it tastes super similar. Alright, next up is bubbly, and for this one I'm kind of assuming that it is just going to taste like sparkling prime, because even though it does say that the bubbly is blackberry flavor, it doesn't really have any flavor, so I'm not expecting to get much out of this but sparkling prime. Alright, so I'm gonna pour this in. Alright. The color didn't actually really change, and it doesn't even look like there's too much bubbles in here. It just looks a little more murkier. Okay, so that does taste a lot like prime, but I guess I underestimated the flavor of bubbly because it definitely did taste like blackberry, and it was sparkling prime, which I do recommend. I love sparkling prime. I've tried it with Sprite before, and it's really good. So I would recommend the bubbly, and yeah, it tastes pretty good. This is the last part in the bottle, so I'm going to use that for the Coca-Cola. And yep, this bottle is empty now, and we're gonna pour this in it. I'm actually kind of excited to try this one because the flavor of Coke with Snowball Slushy Prime. Whoa. Wait, that actually looks kind of cool. It looks like I don't know, I feel like tea. And it's definitely, it doesn't look bubbly. Actually, it kind of does a little bit. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. Yep, I definitely like that one. It's practically just, it's a lot of the Coke flavor, and there's Prime mixed in. Like I feel like the flavor is mixed in a little bit, but it tastes actually pretty good, and I definitely would recommend this. This is all of the drinks that I have, and if you forget, I have all of the colors right here, and this is all the stuff mixed with Prime. So this is just pure white. This is kind of like orangey, brownish, clear. That's pure orange and yellow, and that's just light brown. And I'm pretty surprised on how many of them actually tasted good, because I did not expect that many of them to taste that well. And I would definitely recommend mixing Prime with different things, and it doesn't have to be this flavor. I've tried stuff with cherry freeze Prime, and it still tastes pretty good. Thanks for watching.